morning everyone. It's time to get in the tractor and go and get a bale trailer. Today we are still making hay because we didn't quite finish, and luckily it didn't rain last night. Anyway, I'm getting in the 195R. I'm going to collect one of our 45-foot articulated trailers, something I haven't driven for a long time. There's the baler. Some unloading going on. That's the last bales off, which is great news. We've already got the first stack of bales over. But I'm hooking this on. We need to get them all out of the way so we can stack more bales in the barn. All the trailers, everything is going out the way. The tedder. Abs is going to hook the tedder on, take it up for some greasing, and I'll come back for both trailers. Going on, I've got the Rolland hooked on. Oh, that rhymed. There goes Abs. He's hooking on the tedder. Trail of water with me, which means I got water in the trailer, which I don't want to put in the grain store, hence just gonna tip it out just here. There's not a lot, just a few dribbles I think. Bale string on one side and a sprayer on the other. £50 a bale string roll and a very expensive sprayer. We don't want to hit either. Baler's having its string put in. See the big flaps, they open, so it's like normal height for us to get at. I think the top layer I still struggle with anyways. Trailer hooked on. Now I've got the low loader on. Bailey's a trailer. Let's get these things in, they're so difficult. Yeah, but we really have no fuel left. I'm trying to get a little bit out just to help me complete the day. My load. I'm taking this down the road, down to the field where I left my rake the other day, and it sounds like I've got an air leak. Check my air pressure. I need to put my dish on too, but yeah, basically taking this to the field where my rake is, and I'm going to drop it off, put the rake on and start raking. Right everybody, let's go get your goal. Got the JCB all strapped up. It's quite hot today. Temperature outside is 23 degrees, so not too bad. Right, come with me, let's go. I just had a little panic for a minute because I obviously had the air leak when we first got started, and I had enough air pressure for my brakes, and then I lost it, but it seems to be okay now. Just slightly might have a tiny bit of an air leak on this tractor, so I'm just gonna rev it up slightly, and we seem to be all good. Anyway, let's get back on our journey. Okay, so we made it in fine. Cool, there was a lot of traffic on the road. Right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go right to the top field, drop this off, unload the JCB, unhook the trailer, come back, find my rake. Yeah, so I'm just getting used to this trailer. It's new since I've been out to America, and if you put it in the blue in float, then it changes its steering axle. So I put it in float to get around into the gateway, making it a lot easier steering, which was really nice, because these low loaders often don't follow very well. Like if you have a dolly on the front, they do, because the dolly is what follows you rather than the back wheels of the trailer. We're back where we were yesterday. Oh, you know all that field that I went and raked, even though I didn't think was fit, but just did it anyway. Yeah, it wasn't fit, as we know, as we found out in my yesterday's video, but I have to go and re-roll all the rows now. Oh well, we're gonna go roll them to start with. You can see my rake. And yes, we've got to go through that gap where there's a ditch either side again with this on, but I can't, because I can't swing that corner. I've got to go straight through the woods, which is also a bit tricky. I just have to go slowly and let all the branches just keep on twisting against me. Oh, I'm a little bit tired today. Not sure why. Slept pretty well. Anyway, let me stop blabbing and I'll show you me unloading in a minute. This is what I had to contend with the JCB on the back. They're all unhitched, JCB off. Abs has helped, which is great. We're going to go hook the rake on. Oh, there it is. All that dust coming off the back of the baler. Yeah. Quite ready to rake yet, so I'm going to strap these few bales, or unless we're going to go 4 high, I'm not sure. Doesn't look like it's ready, unfortunately. That's annoying. He's just trying a bit to see if it'll work, but doesn't look like it is. I'm gonna have to leg it to the rake in a minute. I'm gonna sit and have some popcorn while I wait for the baler. That's a no-go. We've tried this field, we're going to go try the next field, and then we tried all of them, and we can't say that we haven't tried. We're going to give this one a try. Big moisture testing now. Come on, are you going to go? It's 5 PM. I could actually fit round it, which was luck. Right, now we're going to go back to the workshop. Now we've made it home. Let's see if we can sort these arms out, because they're a bit of a nuisance. Poorly old rake. I better go and do something to it.